My name is Dr. Hanne Shvindine, and I'm speaking to you from Ukraine, Sumi city. On 13th of April, our center was severely damaged by Russian missile. It is difficult to fully comprehend the scale of this damage now. The building that hosted so many of our events and trainings and community gatherings is now in ruins. Much of our equipment is gone, but we are still here. Because what truly matters is not walls, but people. For years, our center has been a space for growth, support, and unity. We worked with youth and adults, veterans, internally displaced families, educators, students, volunteers, people who strive to build back not just homes, but hope. We offered mental health support, education, civic dialogues, and inclusion projects, even in the darkest of times. This work does not stop. We are transitioning to online and hybrid formats because the heart of our center has always been the community it serves. We believe in resilience. We believe in rebuilding. We believe that together we can overcome anything. Thank you for supporting us.
Hi, my name is Stanislav Kotenko. I am the coordinator of the veteran project for veterans and their family. We develop and implement professional courses for veterans. We provide them with mental support, rehabilitation, and law consultation.
These images remind us who we are. Every session, every shared story, every act of learning and healing, they laid the foundation of something greater than bricks and mortar. We've seen people rebuild their confidence, their careers, and their lives. And we believe that one day this space, our center, will rise again and stronger, more alive than ever. Until then, our mission continues, and so does our hope. Life goes on. It always finds a way through people, through purpose, through us. Thank you.